Hello everyone. Today I want to introduce to you guys Mario Cardenas. He's a loan officer over at American Financial Network. He's been doing loans for over 15 years now. And basically today's video, we just wanted to share with you guys a little bit about some programs that he has available for first-time buyers.
Correct. Right.
Down payment assistance programs, grants.
Yes.
Loans and stuff like that. So sometimes we have those clients that say, I have a job, I want to buy, but the thing is I'm having a hard time with getting the down payment. So what is there available for clients that are...
Well, first of all, thank you for having me here.
Thank you.
Yeah, as you mentioned, there's several down payment assistance programs, and it's important to know that because some of them are loans, some of them are grants, and but particularly there's a state-sponsored program at the moment that helps you not only with the down payment but also with the majority of the closing costs, which enables the buyer to come in with very little money out of pocket or perhaps even no money out of pocket.
Oh, okay. So what is it that you need to qualify, or is there specific requirements?
Absolutely. No, that's a great question. I mean, again, it's most programs vary as far as more than anything else. You're going to have three requirements. You need to be a first-time buyer.
Okay.
You're going to have to meet some income limits that the program has already set.
Right.
And also you have to be a legal resident or a citizen. So actually some programs are not necessarily for first-time buyers, but you just cannot own another home at the time of this purchase.
Okay.
So yeah, so there's different options like that. Again, and I just want to really go back to what you were saying a little bit about how most people have the desire to become homeowners,
right,
but they kind of have to think about it because most of the time they're not going to have 25,000, whatever it is that they're going to need to purchase a home. But again, with these programs, I mean, it certainly makes it easier for them.
Sometimes people are under the impression that when you apply for one of these programs that you have to live in the property for a certain amount of years, or you're not going to be able to sell. How true is that, or what are?
Yeah, there's a lot of myths out there about what that you have to be in the property for a certain amount of years, right? That's not necessarily true. What it has to do with more than anything is having to repay some of these funds that you got when you first obtained the loan. So it depends on, again, I'll go back to the state-sponsored program. I mean, what they do is you're going to pay back the money, so that's not a grant. You're going to pay it back whenever you sell your home, you refinance, or finish paying off the house.
Right.
But there's nothing that tells you have to live there for 9, 10, 15, 20 years. Absolutely not.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so it is money that you will have to repay. Eventually, it's not money that's given to you, or that's...
Right. With this particular program, it's called Calhr Fee. This program is, you're going to basically end up with three loans. The big loan, right, from the mortgage, and then you're going to have one for down payment and another one for closing costs. And again, in one of them there's really no interest. The other one's very little annual interest. So it's very, very good. I mean, the help that they're going to get is just tremendous, really.
Wow. Okay. Well, that's very informative. I think it helps, for us to kind of know how those things work. Anything else that we...
And I'm glad you bring that up because one of the things that I like to mention is the fact that it's not like one size fits all kind of thing, right? So the first thing that I would recommend that our viewers do is they actually have to sit down with a loan officer like myself, or there's obviously many loan officers out there, but hopefully you'll give us a call. But the first thing is to sit down with the client, with a loan officer, because what you need to know as a potential buyer is how much it is that you qualify for. And that's really the most important, the pre-qualifying process. Once you know how much it is that you qualify for, then we'll worry about where the money's coming from for the down payment and closing costs. Again, it's a case by case, because if there's someone that has a little bit of money, or they may have enough money for closing costs, then they may not have to go with the Calhr Fee program, in which they give them loans, but they may take advantage of a grant, where they're not going to have to repay it back. So again, we'll look at every situation and determine what would be best for our
Right.
buyers.
So that first step is crucial because you kind of know where they are standing financially, and like
Exactly.
you said, how much and what type of program they're going to qualify
Exactly,
for.
yeah. That's key right there. They need to know how much it is that they qualify for,
Right.
based on credit, income, and assets, right?
Right.
And then once we know that, then we'll determine what we can do to help them out.
Okay, perfect. Well, thank you so much for coming and for giving us some advice, for those people that are interested in buying, and hopefully, they'll give us a call, with the loan, and we'll help them search for the house.
Absolutely. Well,
Okay.
thank you so much,
Thank
and it's
you.
been a pleasure being here
Thank
with you.